This is the story of the choices of two little sock monkey buddies, Socrates and Happy. They are roomies at the monkey house and study bananaology at FSU. They have a final on Monday. Time to make a plan, and plans are all about choices. So, will it be business or busyness? What choices will Socrates and Happy make to prepare for finals? It's all about choices. Yoga or corpse pose after the party? Healthy breakfast or pecan pie? Brain games or puzzles? A quiet study spot or the bookstore and the new nonfiction? Study time or Netflix? Preparation or more Netflix? Salads or burgers and Frosties? The library or even more Netflix? A coffee break with a friend or mimosas with numbers of friends? A good night's rest or a visit to the hookah lounge? Well, it's final exam day. Let's do this. Grades are finally posted. Socrates made an A and chooses a trip to visit with some of his lovies who still live in the north. Happy made a C and chooses to drown his disappointment in ice cream and finally make a visit to learn more about the library. So the next time you have choices, will you choose business or busyness?